You've walked past them 100 times. Rocks scattered along a trail, half buried by soil or hidden beneath running water. To most, they're nothing, just part of the landscape. But to a trained eye, each rock is a door, and sometimes all it takes is a single move, one rock shifted, to reveal the Earth's secret vault. So grab your curiosity and maybe a hammer, because today we're uncovering 10 real gemstones you can find by simply moving rocks. 1. Peridot, the gem born of fire. Some treasures wait in the scars of volcanoes. This is peridot, August's bright green gem, born in molten magma. As that magma cools into basalt, it traps the crystals inside. Erosion does the rest, loosening them to lie scattered in volcanic soil from Hawaii to the deserts of Saudi Arabia. Move the right stone, and sunlight will strike a crystal so green it seems to glow from within. The ancients called it the gem of the sun, a talisman against evil. That mystique remains, but finding it is simple. Walk a lava field and move a rock. That green sparkle winking back isn't glass. It's a fragment of the Earth's fiery heart. 2. Amazonite, the turquoise stone. In the shadows of large boulders, especially near granite pegmatites, you can find a flash of color so distinct it looks like a piece of the Caribbean Sea washed onto land. That's amazonite. This stunning blue-green feldspar forms in massive crystals that break apart over time. The best pieces are often protected from the weather, nestled directly under larger rocks. Prime hunting grounds include the Colorado Rockies, Russia, and Virginia. In the U.S., its color, a unique opaque turquoise, is unmistakable. Ancient cultures carved it into talismans, and it's said to have a calming energy. If you're in known feldspar country, make a habit of peeking under the lip of large, stable rocks. That startling blue-green glimpse isn't a piece of forgotten plastic. It's amazonite, a serene and beautiful secret the Earth left for you to find. 3. Sapphire, the treasure beneath the river boulder. Move a river rock. A flicker of blue light could mean you found what hunters in Sri Lanka and Montana seek. A raw sapphire. These gems travel for centuries in riverbeds, hiding beneath boulders. Miners find them by washing gravel and lifting stones, revealing a blue flash often mistaken for glass. The deepest blue is the rarest. But here's a secret. They also come in green, yellow, and pink. So if you see a shimmering pebble as you move a rock in a stream, don't rush. You might be holding a royal gem in its rawest form. 4. Tourmaline, the spectrum. Beneath the granite, tourmaline waits inside granite, forming long crystals that flash pink, green, or black. Move a piece of weathered granite in Brazil or California, and you might see narrow bands of color, like candy trapped in stone. These veins are often mistaken for quartz, but in sunlight, their true brilliance ignites. In varieties like watermelon tourmaline, the crystal is pink in the center, green on the edges. No two pieces are ever alike, so hike near granite cliffs and move a few rocks. What looks like a simple crack might be a vein of pure natural artistry. 5. Aquamarine, the frozen ocean in stone high up in mountain ranges, where the air thins and granite veins fracture, lies aquamarine, the sea trapped in stone. This blue-green gem is a member of the beryl family, cousin to emerald. It forms in pegmatite pockets, often beneath or between heavy granite slabs. In Pakistan's Shigar Valley or Brazil's Minas Gerais, miners have found perfect crystals simply by moving weathered boulders. The moment sunlight touches aquamarine, it glows with a soft, icy brilliance, like frozen seawater. Sailors once carried it for protection on long voyages, believing it calmed storms. 6. Garnet, the blood of the earth. A deep red flash in the dirt beneath a rock isn't glass, it's garnet. Born from extreme heat and metamorphic rock, these crystals wash into riverbeds worldwide, from Idaho to Madagascar. They often look like dull, dark pebbles until sunlight reveals their crimson glow, like the earth bleeding color. This is the traveler's gem, found almost anywhere its parent rock has fractured. 7. Opal, the rainbow beneath the stone. Stop if a gray or beige stone suddenly flashes color as you shift it. That's opal, a gemstone born from patience and trapped rain. Opals form when water seeps into cracks in sandstone or clay, carrying silica with it. Over time, that water evaporates, leaving behind millions of tiny silica spheres that diffract light into rainbow colors. Some of the richest opal fields are found in Australia's Lightning Ridge, in Ethiopia's Wello region. In places like these, a single rock turned over after rainfall can expose opal nodules glowing blue, green, or fiery red. There's no other gem quite like it. Fluid, alive, unpredictable. So if you ever see dull, chalky stones after a storm, move one carefully, because inside that plain rock might live a fire brighter than any flame. 8. Citron, the sunlit stone. Move a rock on a sun-baked hillside, and you might find a crystal of solidified sunlight, citron. This golden quartz is freed by erosion, often hiding beneath stones in places like Brazil or the American Southwest. It often forms perfect, six-sided prisms, its color ranging from lemon yellow to smoky amber. Once carried as a merchant's stone for prosperity, its warm glow remains a tangible piece of sunshine, waiting just beneath the surface. 9. Topaz, the hidden lightning. Few gemstones can rival the glassy, electric clarity of topaz. It forms deep within igneous rocks, but erosion brings it closer to the surface, often hidden under weathered stones or granite boulders. Move a rock in areas like Utah's Thomas Range or Brazil's Minas Gerais, and you may spot pale golden or sky blue crystals glinting like frozen lightning. Topaz can grow enormous, some crystals weighing hundreds of kilograms. In ancient times, people believed topaz could cool boiling water or calm volcanic tempers. Today, it's prized for jewelry, but its natural beauty, raw, uncut, sunlit, is just as breathtaking. 10. Zircon, the ancient spark beneath your feet. Before diamonds, before sapphires, before almost everything, there was zircon. Some zircon crystals are over 4 billion years old, older than the continents themselves. They form in igneous rocks like granite, but weathering scatters them into soil and sand. If you move small stones near riverbeds in Cambodia, Australia, or Madagascar, you might reveal tiny glass-like grains with fiery brilliance. Zircon is often mistaken for common quartz, but when sunlight hits it, it flashes with rainbow fire. A gemstone that remembers the dawn of Earth itself. Scientists use it to date the planet. Collectors treasure it for its sparkle. But you might find one just by moving the right rock. So next time you're out walking and you see an ordinary rock, stop. Move it gently, because beneath that single stone might lie a story older than civilization itself.